It is a reliable and efficient product for you. Package dimensions: 0.762 h by 4.318 l by 1.777 w centimeters. Package weight: 0.022 pounds. Country of origin: China. Top reviews from the United States. Works. I need to monitor two small TVs for work. I plugged one of these adapters into the stereo headphone output from each TV, then connected one lead of a stereo RCA cable to each adapter. I connected the other end of the RCA cable to a pair of powered speakers. I get mono audio from one TV from the left speaker and mono audio from the other TV from the right speaker, which is what I needed. Does what it's supposed to do. No complaints and the price was good. It does what it's supposed to do. I have an old Nutone intercom and wanted to connect an echo dot to it. The Nutone has a mono RCA jack and the Echo has a stereo mini output. This was just what I needed to make the connection. Excellent and inexpensive plugs. Invaluable plugs which I use in my ham radio station. Inexpensive, yet excellent quality. Highly recommended.